Welcome! This tutorial will demonstrate how to create and edit your STEM Tips resource collections. There are two ways to access your personal STEM Tips collection space. The first way is to click Collections in the left navigation bar and then simply click the Mine tab at the top of the Collections page. The second way is to go to your dashboard and click the white Collections button. When your account is brand new, you'll find you already have a default collection called Favorites. You can use this collection to gather resources you find along the way, but it's likely you'll want to create more specific collections to keep yourself organized. To create a new collection, type the name of your new collection in the box under your folders and click Create. Here, you can see that Mandy has already created collection folders that are useful to teachers and teachers in training. All the collections on STEM Tips have some common features and functions. Today we'll use Mandy's ePortfolio to take a closer look at how to set up a collection and how to edit it. You'll notice that a collection consists of a title, an image, and a description, which can all be edited by clicking the blue arrow button in the top right corner and then clicking Edit. From here, you can choose a picture from your hard drive to upload, edit your collection title, and add or edit your description. For example, let's make Mandy's email a link so prospective employers can easily email her, and we'll bold that sentence so it stands out a bit. Click Save to save your changes and go back to your collection to see how it looks. You control the privacy and classification of your collections and your individual resources. You can edit both in the editor, so we'll click the blue arrow and edit again. Here in the editor, you should add tags to describe your collection or resources. Tags are important because they enable you and the STEM Tips community to easily find your files, bookmarks, and collections when searching. An important feature of your collections is privacy. Notice that you can make your collection private, open to your STEM Tips friends, open to logged-in STEM Tips users, and completely open to the public. If you were still working on your portfolio, you'd probably want it to be private. If you wanted to share it with your coach or with another teacher for feedback, you'd make it visible to your friends. If you wanted to share your work with the community, you'd make it visible to login users. The access setting allows you to control what is visible in a search, so feel free to tag even if you want your resource to be private. You may want to be able to use the search filters to find it later. If you wanted to give the link to your ePortfolio or another collection to your employer or a professor or anyone outside the STEM Tips community, you'd make your collection public and then copy the URL when you need to provide it. Don't forget to click Save to save your changes. So now you're all set up, but a collection isn't a collection if it's empty. Click Get Help to view additional tutorials on collecting, adding, and organizing resources for your collections.